Namaste, this is Samta Auntie. In this video, we are going to review how to say big and small in Hindi. We're also going to use these words to speak sentences. How do we say big in Hindi? Bada, bada. Say it with me. Bada. And small is chota, chota. Say it with me, please. Chota. Now, an easy way to remember if you get confused between which one's big and which one's small, remember that the Hindi word for big also starts with a ba sound. Bada. Big, bada. And small, chota. Again, big, bada, small, chota. So how would you describe the elephant? Bada or chota? Bada. And what about the mouse? Bada or chota? Chota. What about the beach ball? Bada or chota? Bada. And what about the soccer ball or football as it's called in some countries? Bada or chota? Chota. What about the squirrel? Bada or chota? Chota. And the bear? Bada or chota? Bada. What about the giraffe? Bada or chota? Bada. What about the turtle? Bada or chota? Chota. And what about the lal monster? Bada or chota? Chota. And what about the neela monster? Bada or chota? Bada. What about the mama hathi, the mama elephant? Bada or chota? Bada. And the baby hathi? Bada or chota? Chota. What about the gulabi gift? Bada or chota? Chota. And what about the pila gift? Bada or chota? Bada. And what about the tarboos, the watermelon? Bada or chota? Bada. And the seb, the apple? Bada or chota? Chota. What about the little unicorn? Bada or chota? Well, it's little, right? So it's chota. And what about the big unicorn? Well, that one's big, so it would be bada. And what about the hathi, the elephant? Bada or chota? Bada. And what about the cheetah, the ant? Bada or chota? Chota. And what about the whale? Bada or chota? Bada. And what about the fish? Bada or chota? Chota. All right, now let's practice using these words in sentences. So if we wanted to say the elephant is big, we would say elephant bada hai. Elephant bada hai. All right? So we're not going to practice with the Hindi words for the animals right now because there is a Hindi word for elephant, but we're just going to practice elephant bada hai right now. Elephant bada hai. And for the mouse, it would be mouse chota hai. Mouse chota hai. So one thing that you should have noticed is that the first word in my sentence each time was the animal. Elephant bada hai, mouse chota hai. My last word was hai. So you start with the animal, you end with a hai. And the middle word is going to be the Hindi word for big or small, either bada or chota. Elephant bada hai, mouse chota hai. What about this one? The whale is big. How would we say that in Hindi? Whale bada hai. And what about for the fish? Fish chota hai. What about for the giraffe? The giraffe is big. Giraffe bada hai. And what about for the turtle? The turtle is small. Turtle chota hai. Now, another thing that I want to point out to you, if you didn't already notice, is that we started off with the sentence, the giraffe is big, or the turtle is small. But in Hindi, there is no word for the. So whenever you see a word the in English and you're trying to say that sentence in Hindi, then you just take out the. Just take it out. There is no word for the in Hindi. So when I said the giraffe is big, I just said giraffe bada hai. I didn't say the giraffe bada hai because there is no the. Giraffe bada hai. For this turtle is small, turtle chota hai. And there you have it. Now you know more Hindi words and how to speak more Hindi sentences. Dhanyavad for joining me. I'll see you in class.